Hello, starting the stream. Let's see how it is. Whoops. Delete. Hello, starting the stream. Let's see how it is. Oh no. Looks good. I think. It looks good. I'll probably have to increase the font size of my thingamajig. Yeah, nice. Okay, amazing. We're up and running. Let me move this here. Why is what? Let me close my own stream. Let me. How to do this? How to do this? Actually, what? Maybe I should put it there. Can toggle between 1 and 2 like this. Okay. Clear. I'm gonna send. I should move this out to send. Actually, no. Actually, no need. Actually, no need. Warning? What warning? Recommended bitrate. Okay, no problemo. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so from the last time I did a streaming session, I made a bunch of changes. I had some time in hand after I wake up for eating food for Ramadan. So I have been working for the last like 2-3 days in the morning for like an hour or two. So last time we tried to update the UI of React.js board to be able to support my new like extending board requirement. And I kind of designed a new Have I written it in my readme? Fen, modified fen? Yes, I designed a new fen to be able to support this. So normal fan looks like this, but my fan can be extended for multiple rows where you can add a new slash and add a new row. And it can be extended to multiple columns where you can have more than 8 squares in each thing. And there's some identifiers to identify which is the A file and which is the sorry, 8th rank and A file, so that I can do some notation mapping. And had also introduced an special character capital E, which was an non-existent square, which could be used to signify holes in the extension. So previously I was implementing it in a very um, like I was immediately modifying the code. Like I was modifying the code in the simplest manner to be able to update it. But then I realized that this is a complicated enough thing that I need to move the whole state management for board outside. So I was working on that for a bit. So now, if you see our chessboard context, I've removed everything, all the little things we added last time. All I have here is a board state. So board state is a board state interface which provides these things. I made an interface because if I find like a better implementation for what I'm doing, I can just replace this and everything else should just work. Yes, so this whole file, which is bigger than I wanted it to be, but it's like a 460 line file, is handling the entire board state. And I added a bunch of features. So I want to eventually play test the game. Okay, let me just show for let me just show what we have as of now, right? So we npm run storybook. Okay, so we have the normal chessboard. If we hover outside, you can see like which square you're about to add. I also added the feature to like if you click, you actually add the square. Then you can extend the board as such, right? And then I've also made sure that like all the pieces work correctly, so your pieces can go occupy like a new square that you added, but cannot occupy like a non-existent square. And you can extend it however you like, right? The cool part is I've also, because I want to experiment with different units of addition. So for example, this unit of addition right now is just a 1 by 1. It's just one square, right? But let's say I want to add like a 2 by 2 block. I've made it extendable enough that I just have to change this 2 by 2. It's just an add unit, and then it should automatically allow me to add a 2 by 2 block. Just kind of cool. And then I can add that, however, and then my rook or any piece can go into the new squares, and I can add it wherever. So there's like fun and funky situations where you can do stuff like this, which is pretty cool. And it works well. It works flawlessly, right? And then you can also like, it doesn't have to be symmetric. So you can have it to be like a 2 by 3. Wait, I don't want to change this before I reload. Hold on. I haven't accounted for changing this. I guess if you refresh, it will reset everything. But yeah, so it could be like a not symmetric shape. So like a 2 by 3. So it's 2 on the x-axis. So it'll be like a rectangular block which is standing. So that will look like this. It's pretty cool. But the thing is, now that I look at it, right, there's just one unit I can add everywhere, but more likely I want to be able to add a different shape of the unit when it's on the when I'm adding it on the left and right of the screen versus when it is the bottom. So let's like my idea is like if I want to change it to add like rows, for example, I want to be able to configure what I'm adding on the left and right, which is going to be a 8 by 1 sorry, 1 by 8 if you do xy, 1 by 8 unit. And if it's like bottom and top, it should be a 8 by 1 unit. So these two need to be configurable separately, which is what I'll work on today. That's my Notion. Let me bring my Notion. Projects. Here's my Notion. We can move this. We can maximize this. Right, actually can maximize this. So now we are working on supporting different horizontal and vertical add units, right? After this, I want to make sure, because so how the UI will work is that this library is just for the UI. It doesn't have anything to do with. I think I'm disconnected. Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't have anything to do with like the chess move logic. So your pieces can move however they want now. The convention in like chess applications is that those two are maintained by two different sides of code. So how it will work is that this UI library will have a sort of callback for every move. So whenever I move a piece to any square, which I can according to the chessboard, once this happens, I run a callback, and that callback will be provided by the chess move library, as you can call it, or chess library. And that callback will first of all be responsible to check if it's a legal move. If it's not a legal move, will return like a Boolean false or something, and that move will just be reverted. Like you won't even see it in the UI. But additionally, it is the one that maintains all the state of like, oh, who's winning, who's drawing, is it a check? And then the way it transfers that state into the chessboard is that after you make the move, chess stories, right? So yes, so the chessboard component has a prop called modified fen, which is the thing that I'm supporting, right? So this will be maintained by the chess library or whatever, and then it will be whenever you make a move, we call some callback function that analyzes the move is valid and stuff. It will take what move happened as an input. And then it will modify this string and then update it so the state of the board is updated and the knight is in the newer place. That's how it is going to work. Right, so I want to be able to test that sort of flow where my whole state is coming from this string because that's how it is going to be in the actual application. So those are the two tasks for today. Support horizontal vertical units and test if processing moves and updating the fen works well. After that, I think I will be done with all the UI changes, and then I can start working on the whole chess logic of like moves and stuff. I've also thought about like, so this library exists. So chess libraries. Yes, I think it's called just chess.js, right? Yeah. Yeah, so chess.js gives us like all the chess moves. I did fork this code, which I can show you. Chess, did I fork it here? I'm sure, I don't remember. Wait a second. Oh. Did I leak? It's just the, never mind. Yeah, that's okay to leak. Yeah, what was I showing? I was going into chess graph. What is inside this? I didn't. Okay, I didn't clone this. I remember seeing it though, but never mind. I can clone it now. Clone Yeah, so basically I did briefly look at this code. This code is very optimized to make like calculations of all possible moves, very efficient. I think the reason for that is that this library is meant to be used um, within like a chess engine, for example. And in those scenarios, you need the move calculation to be very, very quick. um, Let me see. There was like a lot of like um, yeah, some x88 move generation algorithm. It uses some very complicated um, bitmaps to be able to very quickly generate uh, what a piece can attack. And I don't know how easy this is to extend to an extendable board, because I assume it's is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but what I'm trying to say is that I think this is very coupled to an 8 by 8 board. They're okay to do that because they are focusing more on speed of calculating all possible moves, which I don't care about. I just want to support a very dynamic board. So I guess I will rewrite this logic myself. That's the idea. Um, I also considered rewriting the uh, front end logic, but then I didn't really want to deal with the whole drag and drop thing, which they've implemented pretty well. I just reused their code and I just edited their code to support my requirements. But I think the chess move logic should be simple enough if implemented in a very basic, non-quick way for me to just write it myself, right? Yeah, so that's the idea. Okay, let's get to work then. We will focus on this for now. Um, so yes, what am I doing with this defaulted? So I also had an idea of optimizing the speed of this thing, right? So when I do create board, right? When I'm calculating the location to unit square indexes, so this unit square, a unit square, I'm basically defining as a unit of addition. So what is being added? This map basically stores the location, the key, which is going to be like A3 or something. So when you hover your mouse over A3, what are the indexes of squares that need to be highlighted to be able to be added? That's what I'm storing here. This is eventually used in like front-end logic to actually color those squares, and then eventually when I click, it's deciding which squares are solidified here, right? I think this state I only need to maintain for empty squares. Sorry, non-existent squares. So the way this is working is that there's a bunch of non-existent squares around it, and I'm just changing their color. They're non-existent in the sense that they exist when drawing. There's a div there, but pieces cannot move into it. Yeah, so this thing, it's a small optimization, I guess. I can update. Where is my create board? Create board can update here, right? So I'm doing it for every single square, but I don't need to, right? So yeah, so if it is not yeah, wow, nice cursor, good job. Okay, let's see if this breaks anything. Hope it doesn't. Yeah, it does break something. Do break something. Oh, I know why it's breaking. Squares. I don't need to run the hover animation. Do I need to? Yeah, so look location. So I can say so const piece is equal to get piece at location. If piece is not equal to a non-existent square, then we return. Right, that should fix stuff. Yeah, never mind, doesn't fix stuff. Why doesn't it fix stuff? Why is it breaking? Why is the highlighting broken? Because of, I assume, this function. I think the console will have something for me. Yes. Yes, for get square type function. Mm. So can this be null is the question. It can be. Oh, it can be null. Are we doing something with this? No, right? We're setting the highlighted indexes. It should be setting it correctly. But why isn't it? That's the question. How much optimization is this giving me anyway? Does it work this? Okay, that works. But why? Okay, let's see why. So on my mouse over square, if it's not a non-existent square, I don't do anything. That's fine. It should be a non-existent square. Let's console something here. Console pieces not a non-existent square, but it should be. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Wait, I may not be. Oh. I return. Okay. Okay. We should return. I don't know. What is using this empty square? Something must be using this though, right? Get piece, yeah. Get piece. Wait, screw this for now. If it's not an empty string, you're putting a thingy, right? I think I should not do this. Just return this piece and then handle the existing non-existing square here. Or I should just make another function. Um, Actually, actually, I think it makes sense for me to not have to. So yeah, wait a second. What else are you checking for non-existent square? Square type, square of piece. How are you checking the square? Where's the square coming from? Get square. Maybe I can do that. Actually, no. I cannot do that. It may not be the most optimal, but let me add it anyway. Is location empty? I do have to differentiate between existing, non-existent. Sure. Probably will be helpful. Then I can implement that const as location non-existent. No. Wow, okay, cool. That's one way of doing it. I don't want it to be like this. Board dot rows. Okay. In const index is equal to this. If no index, return false. Yes, that's right. That's what I wanted. And then I will pass it here. Then I will just use that instead. If return. Okay, that should work. No, why doesn't it work? If it is, wait, am I doing it the other way around? I think it should be the other way around. Give me a second. Where did it go? Squares. If it's a non-existent square, if it's not a non-existent square, we return. Magic, and it works. It's much more efficient. Yay, amazing. Amazing. Yeah, I have to stop this from happening. But I will choose to ignore it for now. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. I also want to make sure. Wait. What was that thing? There was a extension. React extension to see re-renders. Tools to track re-renders. That was that thing. React Dev Tools. Will this give me what I wanted? I don't remember. ChatGPT. Can you find me the tool that can help visualize a re-render in a React project? It is a Chrome extension. I'm looking at suggest me I want something that is easy to set up. Ideally a Chrome extension. But if other tools are easy to set up as well, please suggest. Maybe I just should have done search, not instead of deep research. Oh no. Maybe I used the wrong one. Okay, stop. How to stop? It's not stopping. I don't know if it'll take really long to do this. Can you stop? Okay, go ahead. I'm paying for you anyway. Why did you render library React Perf Dev Tools on GitHub? The Theo's new video had something. Theo, this guy had something in this video. Where was it? React scan.
So watch what happens. Can I not even send the message?
React scan. Detects, re-renders. What is GPT telling me? It's doing some deep research. How do I set this up? Detects performance issues in React app. Previously tools like Profiler requires a lot of manual changes. Why do you render like simple visual cues? React Apps tool didn't have a simple portable programmatic API. React Scan attempts to solve these problems. No code changes, just drop in highlights. Okay, try it out. Okay, how do I install PMI React Scan? Usage Next.js, create read, router CLI, browser extension. Here we go. Still finding approvals from Chrome Web Store. Okay. I have to manually download. Is it? I think I trust Theo. Did I trust Theo? I don't know. Can. Download this file. Okay, and then how do I set up the thingamajig? How to upload, how to use zip file as Chrome extension. Enable developer mode. Where? Developer mode. Click on load unpacked button. Load unpacked. Downloads. I have to unzip it, is it? Downloads. Load unpacked. Select. Okay. Should be here now. Now if I just nice. Yes, so how about my project? Now I can turn on React Scan. Can I? No, it's not. Wait, what? Wait, how do I use this? Pin. Okay, it's working. Wow, there's no re-render in this? Wow, I'm so confused. There should be a re-render. Are you serious? There's definitely re-renders. It's just not working. I don't think it's working correctly. So promising though. Just doesn't work correctly. This can read and change site data. Manage extension, unpin, remove from arc. How do I toggle it on or off? Is the question. It's so good, but it's just broken, I think. Hmm. Sad. Okay. It doesn't work correctly. Or am I just tripping? Mm-hmm. Mm, never mind. What does ChatGPT have for me? GPT. Wait, where did it go? Where's my ChatGPT? Oh, did it get closed? Oh, it's here. Let's see. React Developer Tools, the Chrome extension, React Performance Dev Tool. Do I have React Developer Tools? React specific panels to Chrome DevTools for component inspection, performance profiling. It requires no code changes. Install. Okay, this should be good enough. Why was I scouring for something else? Performance DevTool, third-party extension that can add React Performance tab, tracking component render times and counts. The leverages Performance API to collect time metrics, React time. Why did you render? Wow. I see. Okay. I guess I'll just React Developer Tools it for now. Chrome. Add an extension. Yeah. React Developer Tools. Add to Chrome. Add extension. What do you mean it doesn't appear to be using React? What is this, a joke? It should be. Where should it be? Note that is not suitable for production. Make sure you use for deployment. Open developer tools and components and profile tabs appears on the right. You'll see it. Yes, here we go. Components, profiler, and there was something I had to do in this, right? Highlight updates. Yes. Yes. It does update when I hover it. That makes sense. shouldn't update when I'm hovering on the inside. Maybe it does. Okay. When I click it, it should update. Then each hover it updates. It doesn't really need to, I think, but we'll optimize that when we're facing issues, I guess. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Amazing. Yes, that was a ADHD sidetrack moment. What am I doing? I didn't even start the thing I was supposed to do. Yeah, support this. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, cool. So now basically this will affect only one thing, right? It will simply affect our create board, just this function, right? Compute units, get all possible units. Yeah, so depending on this index, I have to choose a different default add unit. Instead of one default add unit, I'll have two, like a, maybe it should be like horizontal add unit and vertical add unit. I don't know if the naming is confusing, but the horizontal add unit will be the add unit on this side, and the vertical add units will be the ones that are added on top. Right, this so we have the index, which is the x and the y, row and column, right? So if the thing we're hovering at is behind, should be easy enough, right? It should just be based on the column. The column is before, no, it's not that simple. What I need is the location. If it's before the A file, no, this is tricky. This is very tricky. I guess that's how I can define it. So a simple approach may be, if it's before the A file or after the H file, we use the vertical add units. And if the rank is less than 1, I said that the other way around. So if it's before the A file, after the H file, we use the horizontal add units. If it's below the first rank and or above the 8th rank, we should use the vertical add units. But what happens if we go like diagonal like this? You know what I mean? Like this. This is both below and to the right. What should this do? Right? Like I would assume that I want to prioritize one thing. So either I would want, so if I, let's say if I prioritize the horizontal units, so here will also be a horizontal unit, which means the board will grow vertically. If I prioritize the vertical units, which is supposed to be more like this, then it will grow horizontally, which is, I guess, interesting. Or maybe I'll put that as configurable as well, and then I'll play around with it for different behaviors. Okay, that works, right? That makes a lot of sense in my mind. So So this takes all the rows, right? And for each row we are computing. So we do have the location information here to do that computation. We do have it to decide. Actually, we have it here also. No, we don't actually. Okay. Should be simple enough. Okay, let's define it, right? I'll keep it here so I don't break anything, right? I do export. Why am I exporting this unit? Anyone using this? Anyone outside this file using it? No, right? Why am I exporting? Okay, so we have our const horizontal add unit, vertical add unit, right? Let's keep both of them 1 for now, right? Let me add comments because my future self will forget this. So units added on the add unit for the left and right of the chessboard. And then this top and bottom. Okay, cool, right? So and then let me pass the location to that compute function. Create board this so this compute function, I want to first of all add I can just add the add unit here. So the okay, this is good enough. Yeah, this is good enough. I can add the add unit here and add unit here, and add the add unit here, and then I change that to the add unit, and then I need this as well, right, to have the add unit. Nice, lovely cursor, lovely boy. Add units, right? So now what's left is when I do this, I have to pass the correct add unit. So this function will be responsible to do that. Okay, for now, let's just do default add unit. This should just work, right? Normally. Correct. Now I have to choose. How will we choose? Based on the location. Function get add unit by location. So location string add unit, right? Now location is a string. Actually, no, I don't want the location itself. What I want is square. What was it? Yeah, I want the file in the rank. Okay. File string rank string. Right. So let's just say I want to extend it horizontally more than vertically, because usually screens are set up that way. It's easier to extend horizontally. Yo, hi Abhinav. What's up? Look at this. I don't know when you joined, but look at this. Ta-da! I can define like a unit of addition. This is a 2x3 square for now, but I'm just working on improving this so I can play test it a bunch later. Yeah, so let me show you like another example. So if this is like a 2 by 2, I can add a 2 by 2. Ta-da! Ta-da! And then pieces can go inside it. Yes. What I'm working on now is that the unit of addition is the same if I'm adding it on the left or right of the board and bottom of the board. And if I want to add like rows, so if I want to add like one whole row, like if I want to add one whole, it would be a column on the left and row on the top. I cannot do it with my existing code. So I'm making it configurable so I can configure those two things separately. And then I'll be mostly done with my UI. So yes. Right. So what I want here is simply ASCII table. It's always going to be small a, right? So if the ASCII value is less than 61 or each more than 68, that's all I'm looking for, right? So that is the file. So file dot is it car at 0. If this value, wait, is it not? How do you do the let ASCII for a character JavaScript. What is it? It is code at okay. Character code at 0. If it is no. In my definition, it will be a capital A, right? So if it is greater than, should be greater than 97 actually. 9, no, should be greater than 65. Okay, less than 97 and greater than 65. Less than 97 and greater than 65. So basically capital letters. Get me the horizontal unit, otherwise give me the vertical unit. Yeah. No. Or, so this is the capital letters, which is the left of the board. If it is greater than H, what is H? H is 68. If it's simply greater than 68, I still need the horizontal unit, otherwise give me the vertical unit. So this is basically prioritizing. So everything on the left and right will always be the, no, I don't want this actually. I want to prioritize the vertical unit. Just make, okay. First add unit is equal to this, add unit here. Right now, I will update it so that, let me think. One small h. So I'll always, even on the top, I will always add unit dialog, prioritize vertical, right? File string rank string. I will just have these both functions, so I can just replace it if I want to. So here, actually, I just have to use rank. I don't need to use file. But sure, I can keep it the way it is. So if rank is greater than 8 or less than 1, very simple. If rank is greater than what is it, parse int of rank 10 greater than 8 or less than 1, turn vertical unit, otherwise return horizontal unit, right? I will first try to test this out because this is my vision for how it's ideally gonna be, I think. So yeah, I'll use this for now, right? And then I will have it so that we add, let's see, what are we adding? For the horizontal unit, I want to add a 1/8, so which is a column. And for the vertical unit, I want to add a 8/1, which is a row, right? Does it make sense? It doesn't work. Oh, it works, it works. It works. Wow. Nice. And then on top, oh, nice. It works. It works. Yay. Yay. So if I go further to the top, yeah, but if I go here, it will stop. Okay, makes sense. This works well. You are a little weird though, because I understand why. I do have to only pick one square. Actually, yeah, I do that. Yes, I understand why this is weird. I understand very deeply why this is weird. If I pick this, it's trying to make a line like this. Like, okay, it's trying to make two lines. One where this square is at the bottom of that whole block and the other where it's on the top. And then both aren't fitting. So it just doesn't show me an option. But everything else, it does show me an option. Is there an easy way to solve that? I don't think so. But yeah, this is exactly what I envisioned. There isn't. If I'm planning to support, I think I will optimize the UI of things. If I decide on this vertical bar being the thing, the reason this is weird is because I'm trying to have code that works for any arbitrary size. So it could be like a rectangle or a square, and then it's just the logic on how I'm because there are multiple. So if I hover over like a square, right, there's multiple possible units that you can add starting from that square. Like this particular square can be a part of this unit, but it could also be a part of let's say or another example is like if this particular square can be a part of this unit, but it also can be part of this unit and a part of this unit. The way I'm deciding it is that I'm just computing units that have these squares in the corner, in the 4 possible corners. So if it's like a square, I will compute the 4 units, which has this on the left corner, left bottom, right bottom, top, left, top, right, and then I will just pick the first one of them. So I will always just have deterministically 1 unit that I'm drawing from each square. But yes, why is that 2? Because of this is it. I think I understand a bit. Wait a second. Wait a second. How is the empty box thingy working? I didn't change that logic. Yes, this one. Yeah, this is still using the default unit. Oh, whoopsies. Shouldn't use the default unit. Whoopsies. Yeah, I have to update this a bit also. So top, bottom, left, right. What was I doing here? I forgot. Understand what I was doing here. Then I pass this to add here, and then yeah, I understand what I was doing here. This should be so much simpler to do because this is just the vertical unit. Vertical add unit, vertical add unit. This should also be the vertical add unit, right? And then this should just be the horizontal one. Perfect. God code. God-like code. And then this should eliminate the, yeah, amazing. Now I don't have like a phantom thing that comes up. Okay, amazing. Everything is working as expected. Cool. And if I just want to revert back, so I can remove this default add unit now. If I want to revert it back to like just the same type, I can by just doing this, and it should just work fine. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Hey, not you. All right. We're done with this. Right. Now we just have to test this. If this is working correctly, I will be so happy, and I will basically be done with the front end. Right? It should work. That I need to test in that story thingy. Okay. So I just have to check if my re-rendering works correctly. Okay, wait one second. Okay, first of all, const process move is equal to, what is it in this, to be honest? I don't even remember. On piece drag off, I forget. Okay, for now let's just where can I find it? Should be in square. Let's see. Yes, here, handle drop. Handle drop is coming from where? Is here. Handle spare piece drop on promotion. Oh, I haven't actually checked this logic if it's everything's working correctly. Oh, I have to change this logic. Oh no. I need to change this logic. Oh, I can by simply just passing. Oh, this is amazing. I don't have to change it in the UI. Amazing. Yes, okay. Was handle set position is coming from the chessboard context. So this is the function, right? Handle set position, source square, target square, piece. This is something I can pass as props. Promotion option. Okay. Oh no, it's not. This is exported by context. It's exported by context. Where? Oh, it's here. It's here. It's here. This will call something, right? I remember. Set current position. There's some callback we can use from some chess thingy. Arbitrary moves allowed. Set last piece color. On piece drop is valid move. Yes, on piece drop. Say source square, target square, piece. Gotcha. Okay, this is what we have to try to implement. On piece drop. Okay, so let's just wait. On, where's the prop thingy? On piece drop. It is in piece. Okay, nice. So I just wanna implement this thingy. Copy this. Amazing. Boolean. Okay, so return false. So none of the moves will work, right? And then if I just do on piece drop here, on piece drop is on piece drop, I won't be able to move any pieces. That's the, yes, amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so I'll just console log what I'm getting. Console log this. What do I get? Where's my console? Yes, white pawn going from d2 to d3. Now if I do add a cube and then do this, works amazingly. Okay. Oh my god, everything's working. Understand. Okay, cool. So now let me process what I want to process. Also, I also need to process the addition of squares using this callback. Oh no, I have to change the way that callback looks. We'll get there. Yes. Add support for adding units for calling. What do you call on piece drop? I probably have to change the name of this thing. On piece drop callback when add square. Maybe change it. Okay. Right. I want to try something simple where, let's just say this thingy, right? So if source square is A1 to A3. That should be fine. And piece is white pawn, return true. Otherwise console log it. Okay, but also I have to change this. Okay, how do I do this? Actually, this should be inside this. And then I will const modified fen is this it, and then in this function I will update this modified fen to set modified fen to. So here what I'm doing, I am moving white pawn from, wait, a1, no, a2 to a4, a2 to a4. So 1 2 3 4 5, fifth one should have a pawn instead of being empty. So 1 2 3 4 5, this one should have a white pawn and 7 empty squares, and this one should have one empty square. Right. So wait, and then console log the move. Okay, so clear, reload. Okay, so if I move something other than the a pawn, it should just console log. If I move the a pawn, it works. It works, and nothing else should work. Amazing, 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 amazing. Okay. So instead of on piece drop, I think I'll call it on move, and then on move we'll take an additional param, which is like add square or something, or added square or something. Or it should ideally take like a, cleanly it should take like a move object, and that should have a move type, and then depending on the move type it should have like a source square, destination square piece, or just the location of this clicked square that was added, ideally. We can do that, I think. Okay. So this works. This works. Right, so this one, right? I probably need to change how on when this runs. On promotion check is actually running when yeah, this whole logic will not work with my thing at all. Handle set position. Actually, I should try to find where they're doing handle set position and remove it. Fix promotion logic. Okay, we'll get there. First, I want to do this. Okay. The way we do it is we need to find this on piece drop, where and all it's called. So on piece drop is called in the chess context. Chess stories is fine. called? On piece drop. It's called here. Is valid move, not valid move, clear pre-moves, set was manual drop false. I don't know what this manual drop logic is, but it's fine, I guess. This is the handle set position function. Oh, wait a second. This is the handle set position function, which is called from the drag and drop thing in the moves. Yeah, handle drop calls handle set position, is it? Handle set position. Ooh. It's doing a bunch of like pre-move logic and stuff. Actually, I won't touch this on piece drop actually. Maybe let me just create a new on move function, which is a callback that's called here. Yeah, but I guess eventually on piece drop will be replacing that, right? Yes, that's true. That's true. Okay. I will add a new function. Actually, the promotion stuff maybe we can do later. I don't know. I don't know when we need to do it. Screw it. On piece drop. Right, something similar where here I will have a on move optional, right? And then it will just take a move, which is a move object, and return a boolean, right? And then I can have a default is true. Cool, that is fine for me. And then I'll like define a move object. Export type move, and then I will have a enum. Should I use an enum? Or should I just use like a simple string? Move type move extend, right? And then we have source square, target square piece. Will have value and move type is move, and then we will have a I don't know when you watched that. I don't know when you sent that message, Abhinav, but the story, it's a npm package. So basically I'm editing the existing React chessboard library, and I think stories is an npm package where you can just play around with the components. So it's just a package JSON storybook. It's just like a playground, I think. And their library has set up like this storybook to be able to see multiple use cases. And then that thing gives you this UI for storybook. and each component that's exported here in this storybook file gives you like a type of like playground like this, basically. Yeah, like a sandbox. Yeah. Yeah, all this, it gives you like some nice tools to, I think, like reverse state, or oh no, this is reset zoo, but there's some state stuff I think you can do. I don't know. I'm not sure. Unsure. But you can, yeah, basically this is just test UI components. I didn't make this. This is existing React chessboard library. Their library has this setup. So that like when you contribute, I guess you can play around with the components and then contribute. I am just forking their repository and updating their code to support my requirement. Yes. Okay. So, what was I doing? Clicked. Should I say clicked square? I don't think clicked square. I think I should. Okay, who should bear the responsibility for figuring out what units I'm adding? Should it be the library that processes the moves, or should it be the UI library? I think it should be the library that processes the moves, TBH. So ideally that whole board state code, this whole horizontal vertical unit code. No, but then it does need to highlight, no? When I hover my mouse, it needs to highlight that. R2, 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 R2. It does need to highlight this cube. So the UI library needs to have some knowledge of the unit that's being added. I guess if we have a front end and have custom components, we can use a storybook pattern. Storybook, I don't think is a pattern. It's just a tool to help you visualize your components and like play around with different things, I think. But yeah, I think I get what you mean. Like if you have like a front end library and you want to showcase how to use those libraries and play around with the components, you can use a storybook thingy to have a page like this, where people can play around with your components, I think, if that's what you mean. I think so. Apparently Theo hates storybook. He's like, it's useless. I don't know why. I really like it. I think it's really good for playing around with UI stuff. Yeah, okay. So I think maybe it should be owned by, I think even project, maybe for example, you have some checkout page. Maybe you can use Storybook to get the checkout page without login, etc. Yeah. I understand. Yes. Yeah. I mean, it's a it's a it's a dev tool. Yeah, it's not something. Yeah, correct. I understand what you mean. Did you see Theo's latest video about him hating on the UI of Anthropic and OpenAI for LLMs? He got like the comments have like so much hate for him, and I see the comments point, like he's like really nitpicking small things. I mean, I just saw like the first 10-15 minutes of it, but he's like really nitpicking small things, and he's like, oh my god, this is so horrible. And everyone was like, bro, why? Yes, okay. think the ideal solution may be that the front-end library doesn't worry about calculating what the unit is. I guess the backend, or no, I mean the logic, chess logic code should be able to give you this. Yes, I agree. I agree with you. Hmm. Ideally, this logic should be in one place. That I'm very sure of. This whole logic for calculating what square should be added when I click a particular, so what unit should be added when I click a particular square, right? It should be somewhere. It should be in one place. It should not be in both the chess logic and the chess UI. I think it should ideally should be in the chess logic, which means it needs to provide essentially needs to provide a callback for the squares to be highlighted, or callback for all the squares that are about to be added if you click a particular square. Sure, I don't mind that, which means I have to move this logic to my chess logic library slash package or whatever. Or I can just have duplicated code and just not worry about it. I will for now not worry about it. Maybe it's a improvement we can do later. If it becomes a pain, I will employ a beautiful quote by some man, which is "Don't let perfection be the enemy of done." So I will not worry about that now. I will just worry about. Okay, so here I will added square. Added squares. Yeah, I mean that's why I was deciding this. So I think it's okay for me to be like clicked square, I guess, or clicked square, interacted square. That's all just UI logic. I don't want UI logic to be in this. Naming is so hard. What do I name it here in this function? Maybe just square index or square expand location. I guess expand location may be a good. Okay, expand location. It's a what is square again? It's a string. Okay, sure. Expand location is a square, right? It will be the point from which the add unit will be added. Okay, so this makes a lot of sense in my mind. So we have this on move. We will call this on move inside our context thingy, which is doing a handle per set position. Handle set position. We will change the on piece drop logic to on move logic, but we have to. We don't really have the. Oh, the whole pre-move thing makes it hard because can you pre-move adding squares? Do I want to support that? Maybe not. Maybe I won't support pre-moves in this variant because that's just a pain. Maybe I'll add it later. don't think I want to go through the pain of doing pre-move adding square logic. Okay, if that's the case. Handles position. What is this promotion? I haven't even looked at this file. I don't know what this does. Promotion option. I understand what this is. It's the UI for promotion. Okay. I guess what I should do is just update this handle set position to take like an addition of a move. And whenever I am just purely changing the position, the move. Okay, that makes sense. So there's two places. There's one here where I'm handling set position. Here, basically, what is this value? No, just context. Was manual drop override? Manual drop override. If this is set to true, what is this logic even doing? Set was manual drop. Okay. I think it's just where is the manual drop thing? Where's the use state for manual drop? Manual was manual drop, very being used. Okay. What is this horrible function? Who has written this function? Some dude. Ryan Gregory. Why is your function so horrible to read? Explain the file structure, like library used to calculate move processing and separation from front end. Yes, so I'm just for now just working on the front end library, but I guess this example in the storybook is a good example of how it'll work. Where is the story? Right. So there's a chessboard component. This component will have all the logic for like rendering the chessboard and everything, and like the drag and drop logic for pieces. So like if I drag and drop some piece to some square, what this does is it will call a callback. And the way like it's recommended for chess programs is that, so you have like this on piece drop callback. This drop callback comes from a separate library which understands legal moves, checks, wins and losses and everything, and like pins and stuff. Like all the logic will be handled in this. This is a function that basically returns a boolean. If it's not a legal move, it'll return false, and then the library will not make the move. And then, I mean, I'm basically trying to add the add square move type to this logic so I can move it separately into some other library. The actual file structure of my final code, I don't know yet, because I still haven't started making my variant code. I'm still editing their library to support my needs. But what I'm envisioning might be that it will just be a different at least like a different folder, like basically a package. So there'll be two packages. One is just doing the UI and rendering, and the other one will be a package for that understands the logic. So basically like a chessboard folder, like a chessboard component folder, and then like a chess logic folder, and they will be completely separate from each other. That's the idea. So this on piece drop is the link between the front end UI logic and the package that understands the chess moves, because this callback is given by the chess move. Yeah. And also, so there's a fen string that basically is the source of truth for what the state of the board is, and that fen string state should also be managed by the chess logic package. So this on piece drop function will basically change this state, and then that state will be changed in this fen, and then that fen will display the newer board. That's what I'm basically trying to emulate here. So this on piece drop function is a very rudimentary version of what will eventually have chess logic in a different package. But what I'm doing here is that if source square is a2 and target square is a4 and the piece is a white pawn, then set the fen to have that pawn in that specific here. So the pawn was here originally, and then it moved 2 rows up to here, and then this is an empty square now. So this is how it will work. So the only legal move in my basically chess logic is a pawn to a4, and then everything else I do is just reject it. I cannot move anything. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So what was I doing? Chess context. Here, I was trying to understand what this manual drop override does. Was manual drop override set manual drop. Was manual drop. Okay, so what is the if statement here? If was waiting for animation. External move has come in before animation is over. Cancel animation, immediately update the position. I understand this. So this is when the chess logic engine just updates the fen string or whatever. I don't have to worry about this because this position is not what I'm using anymore. I am just using this position, this current position thing shouldn't be used by any UI right now. It should just use my new board state thing. And it should already use the fen string to initialize state. So I don't really have to worry about it. Yeah, this board state. So if the modified fen changes, which is coming from our props, it is coming from props, right? Yes, other props, correct. Then it should change the board state, and then it should change wherever it's being rendered. So I don't have to specifically set this position. So do I have to worry about this case where it's waiting for an animation and state changes? I may have to worry about this situation. Is waiting for animation. When is that set? Is waiting for animation to true. Use effect. Animate external move. Ooh. Oh, what? How do you define it? If wasn't a manual drop, move was made by external position change. If position equal to start, then doesn't override new piece color. Needs is different from start in scenario where pre-moves have been cleared upon board reset, but first move is made by a computer. The last move color would need to be updated. All this is pre-move logic. I think I understand it a bit. Oh, I understand. This is basically opponent's moves. So animating opponent's moves, because when you're playing chess, you're only interacting for your moves, but your opponent's moves should be coming from a state change on the fen string. And that should also be animated. Will you have to change the fen strings to account for extra stars? Already done. So I have defined a new fen string. That's why it's called modified fen, which supports this adding of squares and like dynamically have an extendable board. This is what I'm using. That's why it's called modified fen, even in the prop. This basically what it is that if you want to add a new rank, you have, so there's usually there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 thingies between slashes, but you add another slash and you add more things if you want to add new rows. If you want to add new columns, basically add additional stuff to the left and right. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like you add like another like number before or after each row, and I have defined two special characters. There's a hashtag. This character should show up at the starting of the row, defining the 8th rank, this thingy, so I can understand where the board is. So if I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows, I do not know if this is the 8th rank or if this is the 8th rank. You get it? So this is to disambiguate that. And then $sign is the starting of the A file. So similarly for each row, I want to know where the A file starts, because if I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 squares in a row, then I don't know if the A file is the first square, second square, or whatever, right? So this is to disambiguate that. So this fen string is very capable of defining an extendable board. And this will be the thing that is modified by my chess logic package. If that makes sense, if I explained it correctly. Yes, I'm still trying to understand how enemy moves are animated. Chess context. Was manual drop, but if it was not, dude, why is there so many ifs, dude? I don't like this function. But yes, what was I doing? Set is waiting for animation true. Okay. Move was made by accident. So this use effect is running on what? On the modified fen change. Cool. What if you add like h9 square? But if you add like a h9 square, there won't be squares in a9 to g9. How do you account for that? I don't get your question. What if you add like a h9 square, there won't be squares in let me just remove this to understand better what you mean. On square drop, actually this can be removed and then I can freely roam. Yes, okay. So h9, right? So h9, I can add an h. Okay, let me change it to 1 square also. Board state 1 8 1 1 1 1. Yeah, I can add an h9 square. What's wrong with adding an h9 square? H9 square's fen string would look. What if you add h9 square? There won't be squares in a9 to g9. a9 to g. Yes. Good, amazing question. Okay, so in order to account for holes in the position, I have defined another thing called a non-existent square, which is defined by the character e. So do I have an example here? Yes, board with a few squares added on the top 8 rank. So I will have a 2 and then e. So this, let me show you this as an example. Let me just copy this, right? And then add it here. Add it here. So you see there's 2 squares and then there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 and non-existent squares, and then this is wrong. Is this wrong? Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 2, that's 7. There should just be 1 here, I guess. Am I tripping? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that should look like this. So 2 squares and then empty squares and then 1 square. Yeah. That's the modified Fen. Okay. Different from start, new position, and last piece is undefined. Set last piece color to new piece color. Else if is not different from start position. Should we call like X-Fen or Super-Fen? I guess. What is, make it real fancy? Why is modified Fen not a good name according to you? It's not fancy enough, is it? It needs to be marketable. Is that your logic? So this code is just so hard to read. I don't know what's happening. Set last, okay. I mean, I understand a bit. Set and then set timeout. Set current position to new. Feels like you make a move and then the Fen state changes. Kinda like Fen value was modified. Yes, that part I understand. It's tracking the last piece color, I think, for doing some pre-move logic, because a pre-move is defined as a move you make when it's not your turn. That's why this UI library is also tracking which piece was moved last. Like if you move the same color 2 times like consecutively, it will add it to some pre-move queue, or yeah, and then it'll slowly pop from that queue. This logic is there somewhere else, but the thing is, yeah, I mean, I can choose to extend this, like use that pre-move queue to add like addition of squares, but I will not worry about it now. I'm just trying to understand what this is waiting for animation is doing, because I don't interact with this when I'm modifying my modified Fen thingy. This is there. This position variable is not being used anymore. This position was a simple position that they parse from their normal Fen. But now I have this board state object which I'm parsing, which has a much more richer, like it's an interface with which you can interact and stuff. So I'm trying to understand if I have to worry about this animation. Are pre-moves allowed? Attempt pre-move. This is all for pre-moves, is it? Okay, I have an idea. Use effect when modified Fen changes. Kind of like the Fen value is modified. Oh, I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. That makes sense. I agree. I should name it something like X-Fen or Super-Fen. You're right. But I have to find every instance. Actually, no, not really every instance. But there's functions that I'm too lazy to change it up. It's just gonna be modified Fen. Stack depth. tech debt in my code. It's okay. I know what it means. Naming is hard. Yeah, I actually want to read that storybook file to understand how they're doing animations. How they're doing animations when a computer plays, right? So they have an engine, they have this chess thing, which is understanding game logic. Engine on, find best move, on drop, sure. Set game position, game fan, find best move, turn board, on drop, position, game position. It's modifying the game position, sure. I understand this. Okay, on drop. Okay, what happens when I make a move? You make a move, return false, find best move, return true. Okay, find best move, evaluate position, on message. On message, okay, when it finds the best move, this is some sort of callback, and then it changes the game state, and then it sets game position from game fen. So the move is happening. Okay, wait, one second. Did I, what have I changed so far? This thingies, sure, okay. Added support for working hard add units. Let me switch to their, because I actually want to understand how their name, how their animation on move works, right? So npm run storybook. So if I play like an engine, play versus computer, easy, okay, new game, whatever. Yes, so it actually does animate this. Playing easy. GG, I'm playing so bad. How is this an easy engine? It's not blundering. Oh, it blundered. Oh no, I'm on the, what? Dude, did I get mated? Dude, I'm getting destroyed by this engine. GG. I'm mated, I think. I got destroyed. But yes, I got distracted. Yeah, so this thing does animate when the state changes. It does. So I mean, okay, I want to try it out. If that is supported well in my thingy. No, npm run storybook. So what I want to try to do is stories. So I want to do like set timeout, set modified fen to this thing. Okay, cool. What happens when this happens? is my question. In 1 second, wait. Yeah, it doesn't animate it. Or when the move happens, let's do this. And then set timeout, and then the black guy will play b7, right? So if I play a4, it should play a5 in a second. Am I tripping? Why didn't it work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why didn't it work? Why didn't it work? I don't understand why this doesn't work. Oh, I understand why this doesn't work. Lamau. Yeah, that's a problem, I think. We will deal with that problem. I will stop my ADHD behavior. Before this should be at the end. Fix animation issue with opponent. Yes. Okay. One by one problem at a time. Okay, get back to the move thing. Chess context. Handle set position, right? So here in the handle set position, maybe I should always just take a move, right? This is called in two places. This place, which is calling it to set the position, promote from square, promote to square. What does this even mean? What does this mean? I actually don't know. What does exclamation mark mean? What does the exclamation mark mean here? Non-null assertion operator in TypeScript. That a value which might appear to be null or undefined is definitely not null or undefined in the specific context. Wow, I see. Lol. Okay. Understand. Promotion from square, promotion to square, also coming from chessboard context. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Option. What is option? Oh. understand. Okay. Option is a piece. Option is a piece. Okay, okay, cool. That's cool. Okay, I understand. Because you cannot promote to a pawn. That's why it's a different thing. I understand. Okay, this could be a move. This could be a move. Okay, that's fine. Let me change it now. Where is it? Handle set position will be changed to move. And then we need to edit how we parse this move. Handle set position. Where did it go? Move. Source square equal to target square, return. Dot piece of 0. Hey. Because it can be understand. So can I do move dot piece and then exclamation? Nice. Okay. Move dot, what is it called again? Source square. Why is it giving me a problem? Oh, I understand. Move dot source square. All moves, pre-moves. Move dot piece should also have one. On piece drop move here. No, I will keep it this. Okay. We will eventually remove this line, but we'll get there. Yes. So now I have to check if it's a move specifically for adding a square. If it is said move, then I only do some of this stuff. So I understand the problems of my ways. Wait, is this? Yeah, no. So now this move piece will be accompanied by inside squares, where I am not inside squares, inside square. Where am I adding a square? Inside squares, I think. Pre-move history. Square type, there's some callback, right? On mouse hover, callback, that is all fine. There's an on click callback somewhere. Mouse click callback. Here we go. Yes, this I should not be adding here, right? I should be adding it. Instead, I should do handle set position here and then pass the draw. Yes. Okay. First of all, if it is a, where is it? Where did it go? Bruh, and set position. Okay. Before I do this check, if move type is equal to extend return. Also, I should name it move type. I should just name it. Can I name it type? Is that a? I can. I should probably define it as a. Maybe it should be enum, but I've heard that enums are bad in TypeScript. I still haven't understood why. So I will maybe just define it as different consts, like export const move type extend. And then I think the move should just use that. Yeah, can you do that for me? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I can't do that, is it? I understand. Okay. Then I think I should just use enums. I don't know. Export enum move type move extend, and then it should just be move type, right? And then move type dot extend. Okay. Okay. Here I will call the board state dot extend no board state dot add, what is it called? What do I call it? Materialize unit. This should take just one thing, which is move dot expand location, and then we return, right? So now here I have to change to handle location handle set position. We don't use that here, is it? Give me that. Handle set position. Handle set position. Type extend extend. Okay, I will move this up. Wait, give me a second. Callback. Conscript callback. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay. So this should work well now. Right now I have to change every other instance of where this is being called to use move square, right? Where should be sure const move equal to this thing, move type, import that for me please. Yes, and then we do move comma was manual override is false. Sure, I will not worry about that. Move as move. Or can I do const move equal to, and then you don't have to do this? I cannot do that. Okay, never mind. Wait a second. Is my expand location can be this actually? We'll have, and then I probably have to worry about this guy shouting. Yeah, I mean, this maybe I should design it better, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't let perfection be the enemy of done. Okay. Yes. Can you do that for me, ChatGPT, please? Please. Okay, good. Good job. Do that for me. Move type import that. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now I have done a bunch of refactors for I don't know what reason, but I just want to make sure it works correctly. Wait. Also the story thingy. Storybook. Remove this because I want to try out a bunch of stuff. Okay, and then wow, amazing. Okay, amazing. Nice. Good coding practices are helping me, I think. Right, so now that is done, where was I going with this? I need to change, first of all, this chessboard context needs to add, nope, need something, index.ts, no, index.tsx, where is my prop thingy? What is this file? Where is this file from? In types, I understand. Okay, on move, right? Yes, on move. So I need to change the handle set position to use my on move instead of the on piece drop, right? So I just changed this. Why is Vim so hard? On move on move dot length, and then I know why you're complaining. It should just be on move. Just provide a props, extends just props. Okay, right? Wait. It should be null, is it? Wait, on piece drop is what? On piece drop. Piece drop. You don't need to export this from the context, right? Because it's not. No, I do need. to export it from the context because do I or do I not? I don't need to. I just need to have it in this chest provider thing, which I do. But is this thing there? On piece drop is there. Okay. Sure. Sure. So now, instead of this, I will have an on move CIW on move. Right? Can you fix it for me, ChatGPT? Please? Please? You cannot, can you? You're useless. On move. Doesn't know what move is. Move. Get me move. Why can't you get me move? Why can't you? Why don't you know where move is from? Please. Import move from this. Okay, so if move.type is equal to move type, no, extend this console log the move for me. Move type, please import it from correct base. Otherwise, move dot console log the move here as well. Okay, and then on move, I will add to here on move. That why are you complaining? Why are you complaining? Oh, I see why. Okay, so if I did this correctly, any move should not work. Why is it working? Why are you working? I understand. Give me a second. But yes, okay. Everything else should be correct. Okay, that. Wait. Yes. Only A4 should work. Okay, and then in my handle set position, I have to check if I'm not calling the thing. Okay. Is valid const is valid move on move. I will just blindly do what this thing is doing. Okay, and then materialize. So why are you working? You're not supposed to be working. Why is it a valid move? Oh, wait a second. Return false. Why are you working? I see. Are you returning after this? If not valid move, your pre-moves, and then you do clear promotion, get position object, new on drop position. What is get position object? What is this? Sure. Clear promotion, whatever that is. Return. My own code is bothering me, but I guess I can't do anything about it. This handle set position function is dirty. Yeah, it works. Why am I Console logging something? Ah, yes. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So now, if I say move dot expanded location is only if it is, what is this, capital A1, capital A1, equal to capital A1, I will set modified string return true. What do I want to set it to? Yes, I have to think. I want to set it to the last row having an additional thingamajig dollar, right? Right. Return true, and then it shouldn't process anything. Oh, it shouldn't do this. Oh. Okay. I understand. Caveman brain is running. If this thing. Oh my god, caveman brain. Dude, I hate that there's so many ifs. Why are there so many ifs? I don't like this much branching. But there have to be, is it? Disgusting. If on move dot length equal to, or wait, what is the thing? On move dot length, if on move dot length, okay. If on move dot length, then I do this whole logic. I hate it. Oh my god, I hate this. Otherwise I just do the materializing myself. Oh my god, I hate it. Okay. Not Python. To do fix how this function is designed to manual indentation. Okay. So if this is empty, everything should return to normal. Amazing. But if this is not empty, I should purely rely on our guy, and I should rely on the fence string update to add the new square. Okay. So this doesn't work. This should work. Why doesn't it work? I think I'm slowly understanding why. Maybe not. If expand location is E2, was it E2? Clear. It's not E2. Okay, but okay. It's A1. Moment of truth, boys. Moment of truth. Oh, it's broken. But that's probably because my fence string is wrong. $1. Why does it render it like this? Oh, I've come to a horrible realization. Load state. that I'm expecting each row to be, I see. Okay, so I see. I am expecting each row to be, okay. I should write this down. Major assumption. Uh, assumption, about modified fun string is the modified fun string. Each row should have equal number of squares. This should be handled. Okay, ideally, I need to handle it myself inside this. Ideally, this should be handled here, but to make life easier, for now, I want the chess, the provider of modified fun to handle this. Maybe I will add it in the future. I will handle it here in the future. Okay. Right, let's see if that assumption is correct. So I just need to add $1. No, $E before it. Everything. $E. Hashtag $E. If I do this, yeah. It's a weird, no? Doing some weird thingy where it flickers. Why does it flicker like that? Something weird is happening. That makes sense. That flicker isn't happening anymore. Why you lie to me? Why do you not happen when I turn on this thing? Bro. Maybe it has something to do with my hover thingy. Maybe, but it's okay. It's a small thing. Whatever. Okay. I have kind of made sure this works. Yes, there's these things left, which I guess I will do later. I want to take a break. Go prepare my meal for eating, breaking my fast. But yeah, I think interesting progress was made. I really like that I have added this nice ability, which I think I should eventually move to my horizontal unit. Yes. Yeah, which I think I should eventually move to the chess logic thingy, deciding which box to highlight when I hover over a square. But yeah, we added this, the ability to do this very nice thing. And we added the ability to pass the addition of squares into our move callback, created a new on move callback, which can be eventually used by our chess logic functionality. Okay, cool, amazing, amazing. Let me commit everything that is important and not test code. Actually, I will commit this chess stories also. Why not? Board state. I actually want to keep this to short. Let me commit that. Yes. Yes. Sure. Sure. Yes. 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 Okay. Added, expand, moved, support. Okay. Maybe I'll stream again later in the night when I want to continue with these things. It's the 90-90 rule. When you think you're 90% done with the front end, there's more things that come up. I mean, promotion logic, I still don't know how to handle. I don't know where promotion will happen. Actually, I think the promotion should still happen on the. It'll be interesting if promotion still happens on the 8th and the first ranks when you're expanding the board, which means maybe I don't have to change much. I think. Wait, let's quickly try it out. The existing board, right? Where's my stories thingy? What does it look like now? If I, let's say, march a pawn and then go here. Okay, I mean, okay. This we can just do now. I know where things are going wrong. I really know. I know it in my heart where things are going wrong. Just stories. Okay. Stream not ending yet. Wait, this is a quick thing. I can finish this off. And then this is going to be the animation thing to fix. Yes, I am glad that I'm choosing it to be, hey, why? Yeah, I'm glad I'm choosing it to be promotion on 8th, which I think makes sense also. It makes my job a lot easier. Chess context. Handle handle set position. Right, and then there's some promotion logic here. No, promotion option. Handle set position, move from square to square. Option. And then it's doing something, right? On click on promotion piece select. Option promote from square, promote to square. I assume it's like in the case where a pawn goes from here to here. This is promote from square, promote to square. But how is it, what my question is, how is it handling setting this piece? Does it, what is option? Promote option, promotion dialog. This is where on the board, promotion dialog. Okay, I think it should be on the square thing, right? On mouse hover, handle drop should be the thing. On promotion check. Auto queen. Else. If auto queen is enabled, we do piece. And then we do handle set position. Otherwise, wait, is this what's happening? Then our piece is just moving there. item. Okay. But I'm confused. How is this promotion option thing being rendered? Promotion dialog, promotion option, choose promotion piece. Promotion dialog. This lives under the board. Show promotion dialog. Coming from just context. Okay, just context, show promotion dialog, false. Set promotion dialog, show promotion dialog, set promotion dialog, show promotion dialog, use effect. Bro, I think it's in the handle set position thingy. Okay, never mind. I don't know where it's going on. Clear promotion will set promotion from square null, set promotion to square null, set show promotion dialog to false. Who is setting show promotion dialog to true? This use effect which changes when this changes. So this is a prop, is it? No, it's just some state that you're in, but where is this coming from? By default is false. I think it's a prop. It shouldn't be a prop. I'm confused by this code. Just provide props. Chessboard props. Show promotion dialog. Is it? I'm a little confused, man. I'm a little confused. Oh, it's here. Whether or not to show promotion dialog. Wait, what does this do? Show promotion dialog true. What is promotion dialog? Where does that come from? I need to figure it out. So when you move a piece, it should be here, I think. I don't know if this matters. Whoops. It should be here in the square function. Square component, I mean. So handle drop on promotion check. On promotion check. Is this some function that we are implementing? No, it's a callback. Ooh, there is some default value. Oh, here. Return is piece of white pawn and the square is this 7th rank and target square is the 8th rank, yes, or understand, and math.absolute of source squares is less than equal to 1. What is this doing? So square will have it's checking if, ooh, this will fail in this situation. This will actually fail in this situation. This situation. Yeah, see? It doesn't show up the prompt. Ah, because this A, okay. So it needs to be, but in what other situation will, okay, never mind. This is fine. I can change this. Okay, I understand. So in this, if auto queen, if not auto queen, auto promote to queen. This is also something that comes from here. That is a prop, I think. Auto promote to queen boolean, default is false. Okay, so this is by default false. Screw this. Set promote from square. Set promote from square, set promote to square location. That makes sense. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Set show promotion dialog. Okay. And then where is this being used? Show promotion dialog. It's not being used here. It's being used in that promotion function. Promotion dialog. And then show promotion dialog. No. Maybe in this promotion option. Show promotion dialog. Where are you being used? Board. Inside board. Ah, here we go. Okay. I understand the state thingy. It's a little complicated, but I understand it, I think, of where the state is being triggered from what. Okay. Sure. So when you click it, so when you click an option, what happens? So it shows a promotion dialog. Okay, and then choose a promotion piece option, and you click it on click. If on promotion piece select, then handle set position. This again is coming from by default is true. Okay. Handle set position, piece is option. Piece is option. Background color option. Cool. Okay, but who's passing the option to you? Promotion dialog is passing the option to you, and there's different. Understand. I understand this. Okay, and then it does the handle set position. Okay, so it's basically a move where it's emulating source square, target square, and the piece becomes a queen. So it's basically saying like, okay, so when a pawn does this, a queen move from here to here. That's what it's emulating. So my handle, how is my handle set position handling that? I should wait. I'll be right back. I should make rice. I'm back. Hi, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm so close. So handle quiz move. Promotion dialog. Promotion option. I click right. Whatever option we select is the piece that goes here, and the move type is move. So in the case of the move type, what should ideally be happening is move piece. I understand what's happening. I understand what's happening. Yay! I do understand what's happening in my life right now. Move piece should take piece also, because that piece may not be the piece that was in front. That's what's happening. Piece string. Okay, and then I should add the move the piece. And then I should add it here. Why doesn't it shout? Why doesn't it shout when I do this? Piece string. I'll change this first to old piece. Piece string, and then I will set this to piece. Now, magically, as though by some miracle, bro, wait. My pieces are disappearing. Wait. As though by some miracles. Okay, move piece. What's the piece empty? When I move the piece. I didn't save this. Okay. I didn't save it. Okay. Nothing. Everything's fine. Amazing. Wait for it. Promotion works. Promotion works like a charm. Promote to a bishop. Works like a charm. Amazing. Okay, so what I know what won't work is if I promote like this. Yes, I know why this not doesn't work. I understand everything about their library now. I'm sure I don't. But that function called on promotion check something on promotion check is what I need to edit, right? So this or it has to be this or or the difference is the difference between 41 and 61, so 20. No, that's not the way to do it. Simply can be source square of 0 equal to a, and target square is a, or the other way around. I have a way. I have a way. I have a way. I have a way. Dot two. Is it too lower? Too lower? Dot too low. Lowercase. Too lowercase. Equal equal. Eh. Get out. Get out. Two lowercase. Equal to target square to lowercase. I think this should work. I think this should work. Add a row. Yeah, it works. Works flawlessly. And then this should also work. So if I add two columns, one here, and then I move the pawn from here to here. Ayo, it doesn't. It's all I understand. So if this goes like this, I have to fix the positioning of the promotion thing. Okay, I'll do that next. But I guess I fix promotion logic done. Fix position of promotion dialog. Okay, this I will do later. I have to go prepare for breaking my fast now. Whoever's watching right now, thank you for watching me stream. If Abhinav, you're still there, whoever's watching in the future, thank you for watching. I will probably be back. Maybe I'll be back in the night. For now, I shall see you later. Bye bye.